Hello, good morning students.
Hello, good morning students. Today we are again back with a new session for class 5th computer science. Okay. Hope you are all are studying well at your home and you are very beneficial with all these videos which you are getting nowadays. Okay. So in the last session we have started discussing about the topics like word processor. Already we have been studying the word processors from class 3rd and 4th and now in the class 5th also, but we have seen here in the last session some new features or some important features of word processor, the word program, like inserting the header and footer in your document, then using the watermarks, using the subscript and superscript, and using the format painter options. Okay, the 4 features we discussed it in the last session. Now in today's session we will discuss about how to create a column and a column break, how to insert a column and a column break within the document, and then we will discuss about the line breaks and how to add the cover page of your document, how to create a cover page of your document, line break and the column break within your documents. Okay, in the column and columns are generally added or we used to insert the column break in our document. When suppose if you take example, you have seen the newspapers and the magazines. Generally this feature is generally used in the magazines or in the newspapers where the text is written in the form of columns. Okay, once the one column is over, the text starts being written in the next column. Okay, column wise the text is been arranged within the document. Such features can be used in the Word. You can use the Word program and you can prepare such type of documents by using the feature that is called inserting the column and the column break within your document. Then we will discuss about using the features like line break. Okay. Okay, so now we will going to start and I will demonstrate you how to use the features like column and the column break within your document. So as I told you, you must have seen this in the newspapers very often or even in the magazines where the documents are written in the form of columns. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can either first of all you can insert the column and then you can write, or even you can take the text and divide it into certain numbers of columns that desired by you, or you can insert the column break. Clear? So how to use the column break within your document? So MS Word column feature allows you to divide the document into a number of columns so that the text appears as it does in the newspapers or the magazines. So the steps followed. First of all, you have to click on the page layout. You have to click on the page layout tab, and then within the page setup group itself, there is a column option is there. Okay, there is a column option. When you click on the column option, it will show you the different options available, how many columns you want to divide, either 1, 2, 3 Okay. So you can see it has been written in the form of columns. Okay. It is situated in Southern. So this time, instead of writing the text in the whole page, it will mention written in the form of columns. Okay. You can select it from the columns. More number of columns. We have selected here 3. Then you have to specify the. You can specify from the column dialog box the number of width of the columns. What will be the width of the column? Then spacing between the spaces between the columns. Okay. And then you can click on OK button, and the numbers of columns will be added. Now suppose if you want to break this column, okay, suppose if you do not insert a column break, then it will go throughout the whole page. The particular column will go throughout the whole page, and if you do not add the break. So for that purpose you can use the break in the page layout option only. In the page setup you can see the break option is there, and from there you can use the column option. You can click on the column option, and now you can see it is one of the best school. So you can see here it is been written in the 2 different columns. Now again, if you use the column break option, it moves to the 3rd column. So this is how you can use the column and the column break option within your document. Okay. If you do not insert a break command here, if you do not insert the break command here, what will happen? It will go through the whole page. The particular column will go through the whole page, and once it reaches to the end of the page, then it moves to the 2nd page. But instantly, if you want to end that particular column there itself, and then you want to move to the next column, then you can easily insert the column break option. You can use the column break option by going through the page layout option. You can go to the page layout option, and then from there within the page setup group, you can use the break option. As you click on the break option, there is an option called column. Within the break option, there is an option that is column, and you can use that particular column option, and from there it will just break the column where you have stopped, and it will move to the next column. So now you can see there are 3 different columns are there in your document. Okay. So you can see we have written the 3 different statements into 3 different columns. Okay. This is the use, or this is how you can use the column for feature within your document, and you can use along with that you can use the column break features also within your document. Clearly? In same way, as you have used the column break feature, you can use some other features which are also there in the break feature, that is page break, text wrapping. Okay, you can even break the page at any moment of time and can start from the next page. Okay, so this is the features used by the page break also. Suppose here itself you use the page break. So now you can see this page has been break into two parts. So you can break any page at any moment of time and you can start from the next page itself. Okay. So now you can see there are three numbers of total number of pages in your document is 3. Clear? Yes. Now the next topic is using the line break feature. A line break can be put anywhere in the board just by taking the cursor there and pressing the enter key there. Okay? Normally what you do to move to the new line, just when you type your document and you want to move to the new line, and you directly press the enter key and your cursor comes to the new line. The place where the enter key was pressed will be have the line break feature. If you want to see where all the line there is a line break in your document, you must press the line break symbol in the home tab and in the paragraph. In the home tab, in the paragraph, within the paragraph, you can see there is a show and hide. You can see the different points where the line break has been used. Suppose on the second page, we use here, we have written the same statements, right? The name of my school is Little Flower School. Okay, and then I love my school. Okay, so these are the two statements, two sentences are written, and now you want to see the line break feature, that where are the places where you have used the line break feature. So you go to the home tab, click on the home tab, and then you go to the paragraph view. Once you go to the paragraph view, you can see the line break show and hide option is there. As you see, you can see here that two line breaks have been here used. You can see the page view delete is here. If you want to delete it, if you delete it, it will come to the. If I press the enter key continuously, you can see the text will move down, but the number of line breaks are inserted. Automatically, it inserts the new line break in your paragraph. Okay. So this is how we can check for the line breaks. So how to use the line break within the Word document? You already know. You can continuously write the text, and if you want to move to the new line, when you want to move to the new line, you can directly press the enter key, and the moment you press the enter key from your keyboard, the Word program stop the sentence at that particular moment and the cursor moves to the new line. And that thing you can check from this option. Go to the home tab, and from in the paragraph you can use the show and hide option, and from there you can view all the line breaks which are being used in your document. And if you delete these line breaks, you can see the text will move upward again back to its original location. And if I press the enter key, you can see the text moves down, and you can see the number of line breaks which are being used here. Okay. Yes. Now the next topic is indent text. The indent text. This is the feature in Word 2000 in Word program. You can increase the distance of paragraph from the left margin, and you can also decrease the distance of paragraph from the left margin. Okay, there is two options: increase and decrease indent. Increase and decrease indent option is there. You can increase the space. You can increase the distance between the text and the left margin of the page, or you can decrease the distance between the text and the left margin of the page. Suppose this is the text I have written here. Now if I want to use it, you can select the text, and suppose I use the second sentence. I only want to move the increase the intent of the first line. Then you can select the text and you can go to the home tab, and from there you can see the decrease intent or increase intent feature is there. Now you can see I can move the text far away from the left margin. I will increase the distance between the left margin and the text. And if you want to again decrease it back, then you can directly use the decrease intent. Okay, this is how you can use the intent feature, that is increase and decrease intent level of the paragraph or the sentence. Now it is also easier to set the margins of the document. You can even set the margin or the page margins of the page by yourself. For that you can go to the page layout. Within the page layout you can click on the page setup group, or you can directly click on the margin option. You can see the normal margins has been specified. The normal, where all the four margins have the equal number of spacing is there. And if you want to use it by yourself, you can use the custom margin option. As you click there, now it can show you the line spacing. So you can use it by yourself. Okay. You can change the orientation of the pages also, the landscape or the portrait mode of the page itself. You can also change the orientation of the page from here, and it asks you whether you want to apply it for the particular number of the page or to the whole document. You can select it from here, and then you can click the OK button, and now you can see the change. You can see the big change, that the space of the or the margin of the page has been changed. The page layout of the page which we are using has been changed easily. Okay. Earlier it was different, and now as we have done the setting in the margin, now it has been changed. Now you can see the custom setting. It is showing you the custom setting where the top margin is 0.7, bottom margin 0.7, and left and right margin is 0.5. Okay. This is how you can change the page setup by yourself also. From the page setup itself only, you can select the size of the paper. Which size of the paper you are generally we used to have the A4 size paper, and layout where you can specify the header and footer spacing also. Header and footer spacing of the page. Okay. So this is how you can make changes in the page margin of the page. Even you can change the type of the page, or the page in the paper setting. You can change the paper which we are going to use. Generally we use the A4 size paper. Then you can change the orientation of the paper also, either landscape or the portrait. page to your document. Suppose this is the document which you have prepared and you want to add the cover page. As you have seen on your books also, there is a cover page. The starting page of your book is there. In same way, you can choose or you can use the cover page for your document also to present your document in more attractive manner. Okay, the first page of document is called the cover page, and the cover page usually contains the details or the description of the document, like title of the document and some other important informations related to the document. For example, you can see at your book, it contains the name of the book, your class, to which class that particular books belong, and some other important informations like who is the writer of the book and publisher of the book. So these are the important information which are being displayed on the cover page of your book. In same way, you can use it for your own document which you have created. Okay. So for using the cover page option, you can go to the insert tab. For using the cover page option, you can go to the insert tab, and from there within the page group, in the first group, you can see the cover page option is there. The cover page option is there. It will show you the, as you click on the cover page option, it will show you all the inbuilt or the predefined formats of the cover page for your document. It will display you all the predefined formats for cover page of your document. If you want, you can select it from here, or you can download it some other cover pages from the internet itself. Suppose I use this one. So here, suppose you have to type the title of the document. So I type here my school. When it was published in year 2020. And here you can type student. You can type who is the author. Student LFS. Okay. So now you can see here the cover page or the first page of your document has been added. Now you can see in the, when you will zoom it out, you can see this is the cover page of the document and this is the second page of the document which you have prepared. So this is how you can use the cover page option in your document, and you can present your document in more interactive and attractive manner. Okay, this is how you can present your, here you can type the descriptions. You can write more description about your documentation about flower school. So here I have written it is related to documentation about Little Flower School, Salentu, when it is created in year 2020, and top title is My School, and by whom it is created, the students of LFS. Okay, so this is how you can create a cover page for your documents also. Okay, and again, if you want to remove the cover page, go to the insert tab, click on cover page option, and you can select remove current this is how we come to the end of this chapter, where we have discussed about various options available in Word program, like using the format painter, then using the superscript and subscript features, inserting the header and footer, using the watermarks for our document, then using the cover page, using the column feature and the column break features, line break feature, indent options within our documents. Okay, in the next class when we will come back, we will discuss about the exercise related to this chapter, and then we will start our another chapter related to word processor, that is where we will learn about the page orientations. What are the page orientations? Today I have shown you there are two different types of orientation is there. The landscape and the portrait orientation, then search and replace, how to search the text and replace the text, drawing tools and working with shapes options in the, and how to write within the shapes, and how to apply the border and shading features within our document. Till that time, thank you and have a nice day.